Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to your class. It's your math period and I'm your teacher Bushra Afshin. First, let's talk about your moral lesson. And what is the moral lesson for today? That is wash your hands. So wash your hands after working with your father in the garden. Wash your hands after helping your mother in the kitchen. Wash your hands after using your washroom. Wash your hands after playing with your toys. So what happens if you will not wash your hands? If you will not wash your hands properly, yes, germs gets left on your hands. So what gets left on your hands? Germs. Yes, germs gets left on your hands. So you have to wash your hands properly before starting your meal and after finishing your meal. And you have to start your meal with the name of Allah, and you have to say Alhamdulillah after finishing your meal. So if you will wash your hands properly, you can save yourself from germs. So let's see what is the topic for today, that is counting in words. What does words mean? You have to write the spellings of counting. You have to write the spellings of that counting. So open the workbook page number 35. Workbook page number 35. Counting in words from 231 up to 240. Counting in words from 231 up to 240. So first of all, what you will do? You will write date on the top of the page. And you have to write C.W in the center of the page, and then your name and your section name on the top of the page. Okay, let's start. What is the first number? 231. So you will write 231 in first row, in first line. So 2 is a single digit number. So you will write 2 in first box, 3 in the second box, and 1 in the third box. 231. So remember that 231 are 3 digit number. 231. So you will write 2 in one box, and then 3 in the second box, 1 in the third box. That means in single digit in the single box. You will write single digit in one box. Don't write 231 in one box. Okay, remember that. So 2 in first box, 3 in the second box, and 1 in the third box. Now the fourth box, dash. You will put a dash in the fourth box. Now you have to write words, spellings of 231. So 2, T-W-O, 2. Write with me, write it and read with me. Write it and read with me. T-W-O, 2. Now put your finger for gap. There will be one finger gap between each word, not in the alphabet. So you have to write a word, and then you have to put your finger for a gap. So 2 after 2, one finger gap, then 100, 200. What is the number? 231. 231. Then 2, one finger gap, 100. H-U-N-D, hun, R-E-D, red. 100. H-U-N-D, hun, R-E-D, red. 100. 100 is a word. So you have to put a finger gap after each word. So now put your finger for gap, A-N-D, and 231. 31, 31. 31, 31. Now after and, put your finger for gap, T-H-I-R, third, T-H-I-R, third, T-by-T, 30, T-H-I-R, third, T-by-T, 30, dash, O-N-E-1, 31. You have to put a dash between 30 and 1, because 30 is a number and 1 is another number. So you are going to combine these two numbers. So 30 dash 1. You have to remember this thing, that you have to put a dash between 30 and 1, because 30 is a number and 1 is another number. So we are going to combine these two numbers and making one number, 31. So 31. So 231. Now you have to skip the next line and go to the third line. So same, you have to write the single digit in one box. 2 in the one box, 3 in second box, 2 in the third box. 231. 1. What comes after 231? 232. 232. So you will write 2 in first box, 3 in second box, and 2 in the third box. And now in fourth box, dash. Yes, dash. Now 2, TWO2. Put your finger for gap. 200, HUND, hand, RED, red, 100. Now put your finger for gap, AND, 232, THIR, 30, dash 2, because 30 is a number and 2 is another number. We are going to combine these two numbers and making 32. So you have to put a dash between 30 and 2. Okay, next one. What comes after 32? 232, 233. So same cases here. You have to put a single digit in first box, in one box. So 2 in the first box, 3 in the second, and 3 in the third box. Now in fourth box, you have to put a dash. Now 2, TWO2, one finger gap, HUND, hand, RED, red, 100. Put your finger for gap, AND, 200. Now put your finger for gap, 33. Yes. What comes after 32? 232. What comes after 232? 233. Now 30, THIR, 30 by T, dash, 33, THREE, 3. Okay, what comes after 233? Yes, 234. 2 in first box, 3 in the second box, 4 in the third box. Now in fourth box, dash, TWO2, one finger gap, HUND, hand, RED, red, 100. Now one finger gap, and one finger gap, THIR, 30 by T, 30, dash, FOUR, 4, 234. So same, you have to complete the page 30, workbook page number 35, from 231 up to 240. Now remember that spellings of 40, FOR, for, TYT, 40, FOR, for, TYT, 40. Don't write U in 40. Remember this thing. Keep this thing in your mind. FOR, TYT, 40. Okay, now next page, workbook page number 36. Same case, you have to write the date, C.W, your name and your section name on the top of the page. Yes, counting in words from 241 up to 250. 241 up to 250. Okay, let's start. 241. So it's a 3-digit number. You have to write a single digit in one box. So 2 in the first box, 4 in the second box, 1 in the third box. 241. In fourth box, you will write dash. So what is the number? 241. So TWO2, one finger gap, HUND, hand, RED, red, 100. One finger gap, AND, one finger gap. So remember that. Put a finger gap between each word. There should be a finger gap between each word. FOR, TYT, 40. FOR, TYT, 40, dash. Only 1, because 40 is a number and 1 is another number, and we are going to combine these two numbers and making one number, that is 41. 41. So let's start next line. Skip the next line and go to the third line. 242. 2 in the first box, 4 in the second, and 2 in the third, because 2 is a digit, 4 is another digit, and 2 is that means 242 is a 3-digit number. So you will write a digit in the single digit in one box. You have to write a single digit in a box. So 2 is a single digit, so you will write in the first box, and 4 in the second, and 2 in the third. So in fourth box, you will write dash. TWO2, one finger gap, HUND, hand, RED, red, 100. 200, one finger gap, AND, one finger gap. FOR, TYT, 40. FOR, TYT, 40, dash, TWO2. Because 40 is another number, 40 is a number, 2 is another number. So we are going to combine these two numbers and making 42. So you have to remember that you have to put a dash between these two spellings, these two words. So 40 2. So you have to put dash. Now skip the next line and go to what comes after 242? 243. Yes, 243. 2 in the first box, 4 in the second, and 3 in the third box. Dash TWO2, one finger gap, HUND hand, RED red, 100, one finger gap, AND, one finger gap, F4 TYT, 40, dash 3 THREE, 3 3. So 43. So you have to complete this page like this, and up to you will start from 241 and up to you will write up to 250. So what is the spelling of 50? FIF, fifth. So FIF 50 by T, 50. Okay, concentrate the word you are going to speak. FIF 50 by T, 50. So what is the number? 250. Fifth. FIF 50 by T, 50. Yes. So you have to complete 36 page, and what is your home task? You have to practice counting on your rough register. You have to practice counting on your rough register. So best of luck. Allah Hafiz.